If you're struggling with a broken or stuck zipper on your backpack, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through how to fix a zipper on a backpack. Whether the zipper is stuck, separating, or missing a pull, these steps should help you get it back in working order. Let's tackle this together. The first step is to identify the problem. If the zipper is stuck, check for any fabric, threads, or debris caught in the teeth. Lay your backpack flat and carefully inspect the zipper track. If you find something stuck, gently pull it out with tweezers. For stubborn cases, a dab of soap, candle wax, or a graphite pencil rubbed along the teeth can provide extra lubrication. Try moving the zipper. Pull slowly back and forth after applying the lubricant. It should loosen up. If the zipper separates or doesn't close properly, the problem might be with the alignment of the teeth or the slider itself. To fix this, start by checking the slider. Over time, sliders can loosen and lose their grip on the teeth. Using a pair of pliers, gently pinch the slider to tighten it slightly. Be careful not to overdo it as you don't want to break the slider. Test the zipper after each adjustment to see if it's functioning better. This method is one of the simplest solutions for how to fix a zipper on a backpack. Sometimes the issue lies in damaged or missing teeth. If you notice this, it might be time to replace the zipper entirely. For a temporary fix, you can sew a stop at the point just before the missing teeth using strong thread. This prevents the slider from reaching the damaged area and allows you to continue using your backpack until a full repair can be done. If replacing the zipper feels like too much, consider taking the backpack to a local tailor or repair shop. Another common issue is a missing or broken zipper pull. If this happens, you can create a quick replacement using a paper clip, keyring, or sturdy piece of string. Simply thread your makeshift pull through the slider's hole, and you're good to go. It's an easy and practical solution for how to fix a zipper on a backpack when you're in a pinch. Lastly, prevention is key to avoiding future zipper problems. Always handle the zipper gently, and make sure the backpack isn't overloaded, which can strain the zipper. Regularly check for debris or dirt in the zipper track and clean it as needed. Now you know how to fix a zipper on a backpack. With a bit of patience and these simple steps, your backpack should be as good as new. If the problem persists, it might be worth consulting a professional repair service. Don't let a faulty zipper stop you. Your backpack deserves a second chance.